tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them. Yeah, I'm a billboard.
Hi, good day, my babies. My bra strap is out. Not ladylike. You don't know, it's a MELICASKYLIFE in the building. So it's dark to me. Guys, today is my birthday. March 6th. Today I'm going to Ocho Rios. I'm going to Blue Hole. I'm not sure I'm gonna be vlogging a lot because I just want to enjoy my birthday. I'm gonna really have nobody to vlog for me. Bare things. And as y'all know, I recorded my phone. My phone battery is not working well. Working on getting a camera like big and serious now. I'm bathing, so yeah, just wish me a happy birthday and stuff in the comment section. And yeah, I'll give you snippets on the road and maybe at Blue Hole, give you a review of the place. And yeah, you don't know where roll the skylife with. Hi guys, currently on my way to the location. Me a vlog.
Which guys?
Video. I'm drinking a one juice. I drink not more for a day. I notice me I drink a lot, especially on these vlogs from the other day. I'm now gonna continue with you guys because I work out now, and you know that alcohol is not good for you when you're working out. To make your belly big. I'm sitting, so I'll keep you posted. It's a bathroom that's too revealing. I don't think they're going to wear it again. You don't think so, Cha? Suppose me carry long breast. Eh? So, oh, you think we shouldn't carry back to Cho? So, this. Think about it.
Yeah, I can go across the river, right? Yeah, alright, can you want to fist up? Come on, we need to walk down.
Are you not here?
You want to sit down yourself?
No.
You go bypass yourself. That's not a nice good spot to everybody go swing and jump off. I want to sit crowded.
So guys, I'm at the place now. I don't think I'll be vlogging much more, maybe the little scenery because I'll be busy. Guys, as soon as that will reveal it, I'll take my wear again. Sexy door. Yeah. Okay, daddy. Alright, so I'll be going. Is it far? Where should I go? They have a bridge here. Water. Hey, come out of water. You sure you can drive go down? Because normally people want to leave when they go in the water like this. I don't like sea water. So guys, I'm still walking on the trail. Been walking on here for about 10 minutes. I think about 10 minutes to come up to the top. But I must say it's beautiful, I tell you. Nicer than Dunn Falls. In terms of the scenery, atmosphere, cool and nice, clean air. The water is so blue. Oh, you go through yourself? Oh. It's so nice, guys. It's nature. So when you're coming to Jamaica, this is a good stop. Blue Hole in Ocho Rios. Very good. almost at the top. Check out the water. It's so beautiful. Pretty, pretty. And maybe we can stop here, so. I'll go back down. So maybe we can stop here, so.
They're right as well.
The water is so cold.
Take it, hey. Alright. Hey? Can feel. Hey, hey. Stand up, let's feel. Can I deep?
Alright, you come in there first. If the water is lit. Anyways, we really love water. When you come in the water like this, the skin clear and fresh. Worse like come out of the middle of the skin and not good later. Anyways. Here. Guys, we're approaching the falls. It's so beautiful. Check out the water. Let me zoom. We're gonna go over there though, but from the entrance to come up here, so maybe it's a good 15 minutes walk, but I'm telling you, it's worth it. Body feel refreshed. I was in the water just now, and Bombi Jones. Part of the falls, you have like pallets that you can jump off into the water, but I'm not gonna jump off into any of these today because I never take my life vest. So yeah, that's basically it. Previously you saw where I opened my gifts in the morning. I was very excited about that. Now I'm at Blvd in Ocho Rios. Very beautiful location for an outing and stuff like that. So if you want somewhere nice, you know, natural, you know, nature, adventure, this is a good location. The water alone. But also I'm going to go home tonight. I'm going to drop asleep. So easy. So thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Please remember to hit that subscription button and show the love. I know I didn't get to record a lot today, but I did manage to capture something and something better than nothing. So give this video a thumbs up and base things. I'll see you on the next vlog.